Welcome back, y'all, and in this module we're going to be building this application here. Basically the idea behind it is that we have a list of countries, and if you click on one of those countries, we're going to go into this little detail page here that's going to show us the name, the population, and the independence here, along with a little picture of the flag for that country. So I'm really excited for us to be going into this application. We're going to cover table views, which is this component right here, which is responsible for just rendering a list of items in an iOS application. You've probably seen these before if you've used a lot of applications. So we're going to get used to table views. This whole component here is actually called a table view controller. We're going to learn what those are. We're going to learn how to pass data into another view controller. One more thing that you might notice here is that we're inside what's called a navigation controller, which allows us to go forward and backwards into different view controllers. So the cool part is by the end of this module, we're going to have this three-dimensional application. We're going to be loading data. We're going to learn about a design pattern or an architecture pattern called model view controller, which basically is just a way that we tend to, or it's just a popular method of making applications both in iOS and on the web and throughout many different facets of programming. So anyways, this is going to be a really cool application, and by the end of it, even though I don't know if it seems all that exciting, it's just, you know, a list and a country, but really this is going to lay the groundwork and the underlying framework for you to be able to move forward and continue to make even more complex applications. And we're getting, like I said, like just a little bit more three-dimensional with things. Instead of just having a single view, we're going to be able to navigate deeper into views. And hopefully by the end of this, if you decide to take this application even further, you could add whatever data you wanted or potentially add even deeper view controllers. So this is going to be a really exciting one. And like I said, this is going to just lay the foundation for the following modules that we have. And we're just going to be able to get more complex and complex until you're basically able to build whatever you want. So anyways, I'm really excited for this one. I guess I'll see you in the next lesson when we'll get coding.